Here the question is asking us to explain the given terms with suitable example for each. The first one is antiseptics. Antiseptics are the substances used to prevent or inhibit the growth of microorganisms on living tissues such as skin or mucous membrane. They help in reducing the risk of infection in wound or during surgical procedures. The examples include alcohol, iodine, and hydrogen peroxide. The second term is non-narcotic analgesics. They are pain-relieving medications and that do not contain any narcotics and are not habit-forming. They form by blocking the production of pain-causing chemicals in the body or by interfering with pain signals. And the examples are paracetamol, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Paracetamol reduces the fever and relieves mild to moderate pain, while these non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs include aspirin, which reduce inflammation, pain, and fever. The third term is cationic detergents. They are surfactants with a positively charged hydrophilic head. They are used for their antimicrobial properties and are effective in removing dirt and killing the bacteria. They are often used in disinfectants and fabric softeners. The examples include benzalkonium chloride. They are commonly used in disinfectants, hand sanitizers, and as a preservative in pharmaceuticals. Each of these substances plays a distinct role in maintaining hygiene and managing pain and providing cleaning or antimicrobial benefits.